To pick up some ice and non-alcoholic drinks for myself. Such a beautiful day. It's summer. I love London summer. Where are we going?
We're gonna get a massage.
Woohoo! Finally! He's gonna feel amazing.
I wanna make sure I stay awake.
To enjoy
feel
it?
every minute of it.
I bet we're both kind of doze off though.
You will doze off.
I
am gonna
stay awake.
Stay awake. I don't think you've ever stayed awake for a full 60-minute massage before.
No, I always fall asleep. It's so comfortable and relaxing. But we're very excited. Last time we got a massage was in December when we went to the Maldives. That was glorious. So tomorrow is my birthday and I ordered myself a cake, and right now because I'm on this specific diet for health reasons, I can't have a normal cake. But my friend told me about this place called B Raw Cakes, which is pretty much gluten-free, vegan, and they only use ingredients that I could eat, such as fruits, almond flour, nuts, dates, and no added processed sugar. So I thought I wanted to give it a try because I still wanted some dessert and cake, but since I'm on this diet, I couldn't do normal ones, but I ordered one from this. I ordered a whole cake from this, but you could choose different flavors. So let's see. Happy birthday. These are the different flavors. And look, it's so pretty. So I got, this is lemon blueberry. This is tiramisu. pineapple matcha, which I'm really excited about. This is chai, which I am also excited about. This is strawberries, and this is chocolate. So I'm really excited to try this. They look so pretty and they smell really good. And I have to keep them in the refrigerator, but hopefully I get to try it maybe later today and definitely tomorrow. And this would be my little cheat dessert, but still very healthy because they don't add any sugar or gluten to it. So I'm excited to try it. Okay.
Looks good.
Yeah? Yeah, I heard this noodle bar is good too.
Oh, this one?
Uh-huh. Looks like a garden.
Beautiful.
Uh-huh. Do you have preference inside, outside?
I don't know if there's much of an inside though.
Yeah. The bread and butter really good? Smoked butter.
That's probably what it was, smoked. Interesting.
That's asparagus porridge.
Go try it.
And that's salmon tartare.
Can I scoop you some?
Yes, please. Fried chicken, fries, potatoes, and steak. We had a nice birthday lunch and really full now.
Super full.
And now we're gonna try to go to Joe and the Juice to get, I guess, a dessert drink. So right now, I'm gonna try out the pineapple matcha, which is this yellow one, and the chai cakes. And these two were the ones that I was most curious about. So we'll see how they taste. I went out to lunch with another neighborhood friend, 동네 언니, and she gave me this for my birthday. So sweet of her. As you guys know, I love this brand, Aesop. And let's see, it's a little set called the Chance Companion. Has this little train on it, so cute. And it comes with the Resurrection hand wash, which we love, so that's great. And this body balm. I've never used their body balm before. I've used their hand cream before, which I like. So hopefully I get to try this body balm now too. Thank you. The hand wash is here. Comes with a separate pump. And this is the body balm in an orange tube. So my friend sent me gifts. Thank you so much. And how funny, the two of my friends both sent it something from Selfridges. So I'll open the first one here. It comes in a little cute gift box. So let me take this out. So like this. This was a little gift card message in here. Let's see, it comes in a little pouch. Oh wow! La Mer, I never used it before because it's so expensive. Aw, thank you so much to my friend who sent this to me. I'll definitely enjoy it. Also comes in a little pouch, so cute. It will be good for travel whenever we can travel. Oh, so this is, I think this is hand balm. Cool. Oh, it's, I've never used this brand before, but I always wanted to try. Oh, and then this is solid perfume from Duptique. How fun! I've actually never tried solid perfumes or Duptique products, so I'm excited to try these both. Thank you! Never had solid perfume before, so I just opened it. It's super cute. So I believe this is in here if I wanted to get a refill later on. It comes with this super cute little pouch. It's really small. And in here, this is the solid perfume. It's super small as well, as you can see. Cute picture here. Then if I open it, that's the perfume. It smells really nice too. It's a little straw bag for summer, really cute. It has this green fabric inside, and it comes with two straps. So one strap is this long one, and then the other strap is this cute little wooden beads. It will be perfect for summer, I think. Thank you. She sent me a candle, but it's from this brand. I think you pronounce it Loewe. They're usually famous for their bags, I believe. I didn't even know they had candles. But the box is so pretty too. It's honeysuckle scented, and it smells already really good. I needed some candles because we're running out now, and this is perfect. How pretty. Thank you.